Welcome back to Sharoads! We are going to show you our train ride back and forth from Seattle to Portland.
We are celebrating our second year YouTube anniversary. We are going to take you guys for the ride.
Come and join us.
This is how our train station in Seattle looks. And there's Rhoda.
This is a good place to dance.
We are both very excited to go to Portland, Oregon. I had not been there in a few years.
The first time we went to Portland, Charlene and I took the Greyhound bus. And this is my very first time going to Portland by train. We are now inside the train and we are ready to go.
It's time to eat breakfast, and we bought breakfast at Hood Famous Cafe and Bar. This is a longanisa sandwich.
This sandwich is sweet and salty. It is absolutely delicious.
I'm now at the cafe restaurant that is inside the train, and I'm gonna buy some drinks. And this is how their cafe looks. They sell sandwiches, salads, soups, chips, all kinds of stuff. But we already have our own snacks.
This is Kish, also from Hood Famous Cafe in Seattle. I could taste the vegetables. It's kind of okay. Actually, I am not a fan.
I could taste the carrot, the celery, and the broccoli. I think the taste of the vegetables is not blending well, but I do like the eggs.
This is Biko, a Filipino sticky rice dessert. It tastes sweet, and I could taste the coconut milk. Really tastes good.
Biko, it's my favorite dessert. I really like the brown sugar on top, especially when it becomes crunchy. Now I need a drink of cranberry juice. It cleanses your body. That's Rhoda's land.
Yeah, guys, that's my garden. And now it's time to drink Starbucks tea. Huckleberry chocolate from Snoqualmie Falls gift shop. Let's taste it. Yes, chewing, tasting. How does it taste? It tastes sweet, and yes, it's good.
Now it's my turn to try the huckleberry chocolate. I could taste the sweetness, the tartness. It goes well together. I'll give it a 9.
Watch swimming. Swim without getting wet.
On the river. Hey everyone, look at the beautiful view outside the window.
And here are more and more beautiful views.
We are now going to try some buko pie. Buko means coconut in English.
Buko pie. Coconut. Tastes really good. And watch, it even smells really good.
Buko pie. It's really sweet in the middle. I could really taste the buko. And this is my first time trying buko pie. I really liked it. I'll give it an 8.
You guys, we are almost there.
We are now here in Portland.
Guys, we're heading back to Seattle.
But we are gonna show you guys around here at the Union Station in Portland, Oregon, because it is a beautiful train station. Look at these trees. Look at the buildings. And then look at Rhoda right there. She's dancing. They have a mini garden here at the Union Station. And usually during spring, it looks a whole lot more beautiful.
And that's the top of the building. There's a clock. It is now time to head back to Seattle.
Now, look at me. I'm doing a fashion show in the garden with my shorts, my purple t-shirt, and there's me walking around. And then, here's a throwback photo of me. This was 20 years ago, but I'm only 20 years old right now.
And here I am on the stairs doing some dancing. To the left, to the right, some posing. Yes, guys, I've been here also long time ago. Yes, 20 years ago I was here. Wanna see a throwback picture? It's right here. We are now going back to Seattle. And yes, we are now inside a train.
We got some really nice seats inside the train. We're next to the first class.
We indeed got a very comfortable place to do some cool posings. The train is now slowly moving, and here's Charlene with her coach bag.
I really like these nice big windows. You could really see the view.
Look at that nice view. Look at the waters. Yes, we are in a semi-business class portion of the train.
This train ride was really fun with the big spacious seats and the tables and the nice big beautiful windows.
Because of these huge windows, you could really enjoy the scenery. Yes.
Look guys, Rhoda is sleeping. She's missing out on seeing the scenery. Rhoda, wake up. Look, she's still asleep, and it looks so nice outside. Time to order some lunch.
Let's say grace. And yes, guys, I woke up for lunch.
We are gonna have some Ivar's clam chowder soup. Now, I really like Ivar's clam chowder because you could really taste the chowder and the clams and the milk. It's really good.
I do love Ivar's clam chowder. Yes, it's time to eat lunch. Yes, I brought my own blanket, kinda. Riding a train was really enjoyable. It was a fun experience. Thank you much, Viator. Riding the train to Portland was really enjoyable. It was a fun experience.
We had a wonderful time in Portland. If you guys hadn't seen all our Portland videos, please check it out. The link is down below. Thank you, Viator, for all the experiences. We hope you enjoyed watching this video.
You are so welcome to hit, like, and subscribe. Have a good day.